This is our best garden hose connection that works for any of our vertical storage tanks. This right here is our 325-gallon pickup tank, and these are some of the parts you're going to need. You're going to need a reducer bushing, a 2-inch male to 3/4 inch female, 3/4 inch male pipe thread, a 3/4 inch garden hose shutoff valve, and a standard garden hose. To install, you're going to take your 2-inch reducer, screw it in as tight as you can get it, and then you're going to take your 3/4 inch male pipe thread, screw that in, get it as hand tight as you can get it, and then you're also going to need your 3/4 inch standard garden hose shutoff valve, and then you're also going to need your garden hose. So we've just finished our best garden hose configuration on this 325-gallon pickup tank. Another feature on all of our vertical storage tanks is this blue vent cap that's on all of our lids. It allows enough airflow for any valve configuration you're going to do. And for more information, check us out at norwesco.com.